And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you sign up on Signal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign up on Signal, you just simply have to open the Signal application. And after that, tap to continue, again tap to next. And now, just simply allow or don't allow your contacts and then do the same with notification, phone calls and all those options. Now into this tab, you just simply have to enter your phone number. Let me do this real quick. After entering your phone number, you will get a verification code into your phone number. And you can set up your profile from this page. Just simply set up your name into here. You can choose to set up first name and last name, but last name is optional, so tap to next now. And now you can create a PIN for your account. Just simply create a PIN and tap to next again. You have to re-enter the PIN and after that tap to next again. Now, after doing this much, your account and Signal will successfully be created. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.